Hey, we're back again. So, this is what pancakes are looking like right now. I'm working on another batch, but we just got some out, and so we're going to taste them. There's a few faces right there. All right, so I want you guys to rip off a couple pieces and taste it, because I want to know how it tastes compared to compared to the pancakes that I normally make without the King Arthur flour.
This tastes way better. It's more fluffy.
It's more fluffy?
Yeah.
Oh, did you just burn your finger on a chocolate chip? Yep. Ow. So what do you think, Presley?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I love
Do you like it just like the regular ones I make with the regular gluten-free flour?
I like it better.
Like it better. You hear that? I've just been sold out. They like it better. So the King Arthur flour is the winner, apparently. You think so, too? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, we'd love to hear your comments if you've tried this, or if you've tried the King Arthur flour, and I'm going to finish making pancakes and drink my coffee, and we're going to eat. Have a great holiday weekend, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye!